everybody, what's up? And welcome back to the garden. Today we are going to be doing another in bloom, checking out to see what's in bloom, and today we are going to take a closer look at the light pink Chantilly Snapdragons. If you've been following along with the channel any amount of time, you know that I am obsessed with Snapdragons, and these Chantilly ones are no exception. I absolutely love these. I have enjoyed so much making flower arrangements and bouquets with these this year. These Snapdragons are a little bit different in that they are open-faced. You can see those nice deep throats on those Snapdragons, which I might add, the hummingbirds have absolutely gone bonkers for. I've been trying to get video of them, but I haven't been successful so far. But the hummingbirds are absolutely loving these Snapdragons, which is all the reason for me to love them too, because I love watching the hummingbirds in the garden. Overall, I am so pleased with the performance of these. The only drawback I would say, they haven't had any pest problems or anything, but the only drawback I would say is that they have started to topple over a little bit in my spring thunderstorms, which really kind of stinks. So I think maybe next year I will use a trellis netting to make sure that these stay upright to fix that problem. But overall, I think these are absolutely beautiful. That's really about it for this video. Hopefully it was helpful. As always, you can leave any questions or comments that you have down below. I'm always trying to answer those. Usually I get to them in about a week, sometimes longer depending upon how busy I am with work and the channel and everything. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. I'd absolutely love to have you. We are making new content all the time. Sometimes it's DIY projects, sometimes it's gardening, could be even soap making. You really never know quite what I'm going to upload. So if you like a little bit of a surprise, you might like this channel too. Always going to just keep on growing. Be sure to tell your friends, hit the little bell icon, all that good stuff. I hope that you guys are having such an amazing day. I will talk to you all later. Bye, guys.